Hello everyone, and today we're going to take a look at two very similar words, two adjectives. These words are deft and adroit. You can say these words mean a person, some kind of person. He has certain abilities, skills, cleverness, savvy to solve difficult situations or tasks. But we're here to find the exact difference. And let's start with the deft. Deft is all about physical abilities, whereas adroit, as you can guess or surmise, is all about mental abilities. And let's take a look at a couple examples. Let's start with deft. For instance, there are a team of explorers who are deft in climbing the mountains, rugged and treacherous mountains all around the world. And let's switch to adroit. He was adroit to break the rift between the two sides in these negotiations, and because of him, it was a great success. And that's it for today, folks. Happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.